Alright. Oops. Alright, I finished my coffee. And it is 9:06 a.m. Watching some YouTube. And realized I have not been on TikTok for a long time. Meaning, like, I haven't watched any TikTok videos. Hold on. I haven't been on TikTok in a minute. And I think I'm going to dedicate a little time to TikTok. Check out and see what's going on there. I want to do my makeup today, and it's pretty early, and the baby is still asleep, so I could get that in. But I've been enjoying my free time right now, my me time before she get up. But yeah, I need to go check on TikTok. This cold, like I've had a cold for damn near 3 weeks now, and it's the air conditioner. I realized, like, this. I was sleeping and the air conditioner is on auto. So, as the temperature rises, the air conditioner comes on its own. And I was sleeping, and as soon as the air conditioner came on, I started coughing nonstop. I don't know if you can hear the wheezing, like I constantly have wheezing, constantly like short of breath, and yeah, it's hard for me to laugh because if I laugh, I'll start coughing. And it kind of hurts because I think the mucus or phlegm or whatever, it's minimum now. It's not that much, but it kind of this cold keeps me short-winded. I've been taking mullein leaf drops, and that's good for the lungs. I use that anytime I have a cold. I just put a few drops in my water, shake it up, and drink that throughout the day. And then also I've been taking the mushroom complex. And as you saw, I just took my daily dose of magnesium and vitamin D. So D3. So I don't know. I haven't been feeling up to, recording, editing, or anything. But, I had to keep my channel active. So I still got, footage from May and what was Easter? April? Yeah, I still got footage from April and May, so it just needs to be finished. I just need to finish editing it and upload it. But I haven't been in the right frame of mind to do any of that. Yeah, I have 2 campaigns that I think I'm behind. I know I'm behind on one, but I've been sick, like, and I have to talk in that video, and when you have a cold, it's like, damn, God, it feels like I'm spreading this through the screen. But because I've been like not feeling 100%, I haven't been doing anything. But putting out what I already had filmed. So today I decided, I want to try to do, like, go back to, I've only done a few of them, but it had got, like, overwhelming to me to do, like, the day-to-day situations. Maybe I'll just, like, kind of keep them short, like the daily vlogs. Just keep them short so it doesn't overwhelm me. when it comes to editing, because you got all this different footage from different days, and you gotta cut it down and all that, but that's that. But yeah, I want to get on TikTok. What I've been doing is pulling out equipment, like gadgets that, I've tucked away, probably got bored of and moved on. So I have an Echo Dot that I pulled out, which I bought probably like over 10 years now. So it's Echo Dot is probably like 10 years old. I pulled that out last night. Then I had some like filming equipment, well, accessories, the umbrellas to my filming lights, some portable lights. So yeah, I've just been like pulling out some tripods. So it's just been like prepping to where when I feel bad, I can just, be in my content creation mode. So yeah, what else been going on? Nothing much other than me just being sick and just doing house chores. And I'm just like, I could record. Like yesterday, I tried to record me doing my nails, but I kept getting interrupted. My little setup was knocked over and moved and all that, so I couldn't even do that. So I did it like a little clip, and then I just got fed up. Was like, I'll just do it another day. So today's the attempt that I'm making to record myself throughout the day again, to get back into trying to do like days in a week, 3 or 4 days maybe, something like that. Just an idea. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get on TikTok. I don't know. I think that's it. Get on TikTok. And when the baby wake up, get her prepped, and then make her some breakfast or lunch, depending on what time she wakes up. But I'm gonna say peace for now, and I'll see ya later. Hopefully, I do something with myself today. I trimmed my eyebrows, cleaned them up the other day, and did my hair the other day. Did a facial. Had me a facial day. I used my face steamer. That is so dangerous because once you pour the water into the little product and the water gets hot. If you put too much water in there, it'll start bubbling. So yeah, and that hot water pops on you, and it's like, ooh, get back from me. But yeah, I gave myself a facial the other day, and my facial, it was a face felt so good, or feels so good. But no, I'm delirious. Maybe because I didn't get enough sleep. But I'm gonna put this phone down as far as talking to y'all and check out TikTok. And my lips feel so dry. That's another thing. Um, this cold just have been drying out my lips. I've been trying to keep moisturized. Damn, it hurts so bad. There's nothing there. But yeah, bye. I got to go.